Mom is coughing really hardly.
Yeah, I want to go and check on her. Let's go.
Yeah.
Are you okay, Mom?
Most certainly not. I'm now very sick. I don't know what I've got, but I'm just really sick. And I need carrot soup to heal me. Go to the woods on the bright side and go and get some carrots for me.
Yes, Mom.
And take the baby with you.
Okay. Come on, baby.
Okay, off you go, please.
I'll put the baby in.
I'm gonna sleep here. I didn't get enough sleep and Mom just woke me up. Oh no, my
Okay.
clothes are falling off. Come on. Beep, 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 beep. Move it. Move. Move. Oh, this is so dark. Hello? Is that the right side? Oh, I can't even see myself. Well, it's getting good. It's getting good. Woo! What is this?
Oh my gosh, what is this?
And who laid this out? That's so kind of him.
Ah.
Oh, so satisfying.
Oh
Ow.
my gosh, that was so cool.
You. Hooray!
Oh my gosh, this is.
Oh my god, it seems like this
God.
is Play-Doh. It's so nice to leave it here for us.
Hey, they forgot to open 2 other colors. Hey, it says on them. Warning, these are very sticky. Oopsies.
Ooh.
We shouldn't touch them.
Wow.
These are perfect. I've got an idea. Why don't we keep half of them and sell half of them to get money and then buy proper carrot soup so we don't need to make it?
I've got a better idea. Let's go on. Let's put them back in their boxes and go and sell them now and then get a lot of money. Because this is extra large.
Okay.
Then you can buy toys and stuff. Yeah, toys and stuff.
I actually am sitting on the Play-Doh.
Don't make your bottom all dirty. Woo! I'm gonna stick like a statue. Let's play the statue game. I'm gonna be a statue.
Okay. I'll be starting in a minute.
I'm the best statue in the whole world. Just watch me. I gotta stand up. It's so hard being a baby. Nobody gets me ever. Stick myself up.
Oh my gosh, that is cheating, so I'm gonna cheat too.
I'm gonna cheat. Oh no, I'm stuck.
I'm not.
So am I. I'm stuck.
I'm stuck!
What the heck?
I'm stuck! I'm stuck!
There
we are.
Ow. No, this is crazy. Oh, I want to see the white one. Nobody touched it. I'm out of here. Good. Good days, good life. It's a song I made up anyway. Come on, let's go and put this back in our this package. We need to sell this. And we'll be billionaires.
I got stuck.
No offense or anything, but that's just weird. I don't think we'll be billionaires.
Yeah, we'll get some money.
Can you stop doing that? It's really, weird.
I can't
If
get
somebody sees us, we're gonna be embarrassed in front of the world.
Ugh.
What the heck are you doing?
Ugh.
Okay, let's put this back in this package.
Let's open all the packages before we put anything in.
Go back. I'm gonna call this one the lemon Play-Doh because I like it how it's yellow. And everybody would want to buy. And I'm gonna say it's lemon scents. It's just so people buy it.
But that's kind of lying.
So okay, maybe not then. I may be a weird. I may be pure, but I never
got an
lie.
idea. I saw some lemons over there. Maybe I can squeeze some lemon in the mix and then maybe it'll smell like lemon.
But what if it gets to liquidy?
Don't worry. Oh my gosh, it actually smells like lemon now.
Okay, that's good, I guess. So, put in the orange. Where's the orange tub? Oh, it's way over here. Okay, let's put this in here. Goody, goody, good. Now it's all in. Close this tub. It's not going to close. Okay, let's close too. Oh, this table is not. Ow. Okay, I was gonna say it's nice, but now I think it's horrible. What a horrible table.
To the village. I'll go with the car.
It's not.
I think the sun is about to go down a little bit.
Okay, let's go and get the car. Car! Come on, we put stuff in the car.
Let's try and carry these.
Yay!
Sit here.
I'm scared.
It's okay. Wait, you get off.
What the heck are you doing? It's a baby seat.
No, but he's scared, so he gets on my lap.
Okay, that's kind of weird. Because if we drive, you're gonna fall. And if you fall, I'm totally saying to Mom that's your fault. I'm gonna just chill on the Play-Doh.
Oh my god.
Come on, people, hurry up! Let's go to the village! Doo-doo-doo-doo. Whoa, do I sing too much? Ow. Ow. Let's go!
Hey, baby, help. Okay, that is not because my clothes are falling off and stuff.
Oh, we're here at the village and there's a spare table to put our stuff. Let's sell this Play-Doh and get some money. I want to sit here till customers come. Yeah, customers.
I forgot this Play-Doh. I guess you have to wait here.
Yep, you gotta wait in here. Hello, I'm sorry if I look crazy and I didn't even brush my hair this morning, but there's no point to talk about it. I'm gonna buy some Play-Doh, please. Oh, this one is not close. Anyway, I'd like the blue one, please. Ow! How much is it? Will it owe me? £10. Here you go, a tenner. I'm taking this. I'm taking this home and have some fun. Woo! This is so much fun. This is so much fun.
Please, just a wee bit of Play-Doh, one Play-Doh box.
Ugh, fine, Chelsea. You've been good all week, I guess.
Yahoo!
Come on, Skipper.
You don't get your glasses that you wanted. It doesn't matter.
Hurry up, you two. You're staying behind.
You should have went to that concert. Just stop talking about it already.
Ow.
Oh,
you two just stay here and I'll go and buy. Hello.
So your friend.
What color do you want, Chelsea?
I want pink.
Can I have the pink Play-Doh, please?
Yeah, sure. Since it's the pink Play-Doh, why don't you give that £15?
Here you go.
Thank you.
Come on, Chelsea, let's get out of here. Okay, we're doing so well.
I'm gonna go and call my friends. I'm gonna ask her if I can bring two. I'm gonna bring two, fine.
Woohoo. Okay, I think it's so getting a lot darker now. I'm not sure if Mom wants us to wait this long.
Hi, Chelsea.
Hey, I'm just sunbathing. Well, technically, I'm bathing.
Yeah, well, do you want to go buy some Play-Doh? My mom gave me £50. My mom too.
We've already bought Play-Doh, but go ahead, you two.
Aren't you going to come with us, Chelsea? Maybe you can help us pick the color.
Okay, if you insist. Woo, I love Play-Doh. Hey.
Hello. Hi, which Play-Doh color would you like to buy? I'll get the orange. Actually, the green.
Green you go. That would be £10.
Here you go.
Thank you.
And I want the yellow, please.
Here you go. It's lemon scented.
Smells so good even from the outside.
And the green is lime scented.
I love lime.
What about the pink? Oh, the pink is raspberry scented.
Cool.
Like they're all scented.
And if you get the white one, you get actually a surprise scented.
Interesting. I'm just gonna buy my white one. I just want it. Who wants orange? Let's take the last. I'll pay you a 20. Here you go. Thank you very much.
Hello, I came back. I don't actually like the Play-Doh, so yeah, bye.
Okay, here you go back to your money.
Thanks. At least they're not rude. Like the other lady, like took my money. She's like, bye. And I didn't even get anything.
That's just so crazy. What were we gonna do with the last Play-Doh?
You know what? I'll take it.
Here you go. 10er, please.